You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Monday, July 3rd. We've got a great show for you today. We're going to be talking about the Nintendo Switch version of Call of Duty that's not coming out. Activision has confirmed that. Splatoon 2, we're going to be talking that, some Nintendo stock, Tesla, Square Enix, and we're going to be giving an update on our portfolio. The market was up today pretty much overall. Some of our stocks have been mixed. It was a short trading day ahead of the holidays, so thought it would be a good day of giving an update on our portfolio and our performance to see how it's doing. So each of those is going to be an individual story posted up today on YouTube, and that's what we got coming up if you're watching live. So let's go ahead and get started with a portfolio performance update. Last week we got annihilated towards the end of the week. Came back a little bit today, but a short trading day. I didn't expect much action at all, and we really didn't get a whole lot. So let's take a look at our stock portfolio here. Behind me are all the stocks that we own for the kids portfolio, and that's what we cover here on the show, as well as other stories. But each month we like to make a purchase to add to their portfolio, and it is probably at its lowest point right now than it has ever been. Let me go ahead and I'll pull it up here. Right now we're doing a 4.5% return on it. Not the greatest at all. Like to see it's 7% or higher. It's been hovering between 5 and 7 for a little bit, but dipped down. Our biggest losers, GameStop, WWE, and Seagate is our single-handedly worst performing stock right now. Of these stocks, most of them have been green up until a slide last week. So we've had a couple of dip down. Foot Locker's done pretty well. We were able to buy that last month and get a bump off of that. So pretty good there. This month, our purchase, I was going to possibly make it today. I held off. We're targeting a couple of specific stocks to buy this month. Two in particular, a third one we've added today, and we'll talk about them later in the Activision article and Nintendo article. Those are two big ones that we're targeting to potentially buy up this week, and I'll explain what's going on with them later. But the biggest target right now is Seagate, and that's got a pretty good dividend yield. It's down 10%. We can add to our position and get a pretty good bump to our dividend yield. I still believe that storage is a good way to go, especially long-term future. So those are the three stocks we're targeting this month. Right now, our annual dividend for our kids portfolio, $108, 3% dividend yield. Not too shabby. We had some Seagate that's going to go up. We had any of them, it's going to go up. We only invest in stocks that pay a dividend, but those are who we're targeting this month for our buy, specifically Seagate, Activision, Nintendo. So let me know what you think about those targets in the comments below. Overall, let me pull up. We like to track the calls that we make on the show, whether they're buy, whether we like them, don't like them. Let's look at how our buys have been performing. Whenever we call a stock a buy, overall it's about a 10% return, so it's doing better than my actual buys for the kids portfolio. But the lagger here is still Seagate. That's been down 14% since we called it a buy. A lot of the other ones are up huge. Nintendo, Activision, Apple, GameStop's not doing too bad, down 1.4%. Collector's Universe down 3%. We like that one. Hasbro's been doing good with 11-12%. So not too bad with what we've called for buys on the show. The viewer picks are outperforming both the kids portfolio and what I say as a buy. Uh, Really close to what we call a buy. They're at 10%. Big gainers there for our viewer picks are Advanced Micro, AMD, Regeneron, Tencent. A lot of good viewer picks here. Micron's up 8% almost. So Thor Industries, I think we'll see that starting to take off. But our viewer picks, really solid viewer picks. So pretty happy with them. Keep sending the viewer picks our way. So that's an update as to how our portfolio's been performing. It's been better. It's up still, which is a good thing. Viewer picks are certainly doing well. We like to see that in our targets for this month. Leaning right more towards Activision and Seagate, even though Nintendo, we could get an opportunity to pick some of that up. So let me know what you think in the comments below. That's going to be it for today. We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. The info to contact the shows on the screen behind me. We are live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. So come chat with us live during the show. Appreciate all of you who are watching. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it on the recap videos. Subscribe to our channels if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Really want to continue to build up the channel and get more people investing. So leave us your feedback. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We will see you Wednesday. We're off tomorrow for the 4th of July holiday. So see you then.